Hi! So let's see how the fish looks. I'm going to have this with
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's special is fish curry, that is Kerala style. Kerala is a popular state in southern part of India and we have a different delicacy there, different style of making fish curry, and this is one of the method of making fish curry there. So I'm sharing with you all the ingredients used here in the description below, which you can later refer to it. So this is for the lunch that we made, this fish curry, and we enjoy this with rice, and there is a papadam that I have made. Papadam is like a fritter which is made of rice and lentils, and it's pre-made, so we just have to deep fry it and we get that papadam ready. So here let's see how to make the fish curry. So here we marinated the fish and kept it aside. Here I'm taking shallots, small shallots you can see. 6 number. Then this is thumb size ginger, few garlic cloves. We will coarsely crush it. Next I will cut in small pieces the green chilies and the shallots. So this is how it looks. You can cut the green chilies lengthwise also. Now in an empty bowl I'm taking red chili powder. This is Kashmiri chili powder which gives a very good color, rich red color to the dish that we make. It's not very spicy. So I'm adding turmeric powder and coriander powder. We'll make a thick paste of this. So when we put this in the clay pot, I'm going to make this fish in clay pot. So when we fry it, the masalas, the seasoning doesn't get burned. We put a little water on it and make a thick paste. Mix it well and make a thick paste. So I'll add little water. So here the clay pot is preheated. Now I'm going to add coconut oil to this clay pot. So yes, we are making this fish curry with coconut oil. You can use any brand of coconut oil. So here the oil is melted. Now I'm adding mustard seed. Next we add fenugreek seed or methi seed. Next we add curry leaves. Now we add the shallots that we cut in small pieces and the green chilies. Let this cook for 5 minutes and we add ginger garlic coarsely crushed paste. Here the small onions are cooked. And now we are going to add salt. So let this cook for like 5 to 10 minutes, and once everything is cooked well, we will add the masala paste that we created with red chili powder, turmeric and coriander powder. So this is a thick paste that we created. Now we will add it to this mixture. So doing this way, the masalas will not get burnt, but it will be nicely cooked also at the same time. So mix it with the onion mix and let it cook for another 5 minutes. We will cook this in medium heat. So here I have added water. and bring this water to boil. So here I've soaked kudampuli, which is also known as Garcinia Cambogia. It's like a tamarind. It has a tangy taste, and we add this kudampuli to the fish recipe that we made. So that was pre-soaked. Now we have added it to this fish curry. Around 3 to 4 small kudampulis. Now we will bring this to a boil. Close it with the lid. So once the fish curry is boiled, all the masalas, the kudampulis have seeped in. Now we will add the marinated fish to this mixture. It's a very easy recipe with very simple ingredients that we use here. So I have not used tomatoes here in this recipe. Without tomato, we made this fish curry. So here you can see I've put all the fish pieces. Now I have added 1 tablespoon coconut oil. And we close the lid once again and let it cook. The fish to be cooked well.
Hi. So let's see how the fish looks. For lunch today, fish.
So it took around 10 minutes in medium-high heat to properly cook. So here you can see the fish curry is ready. I let this fish curry sit for 3 hours after preparing it and serving it for lunch with rice. So here you can see nice red color. It tastes very good. We have coconut oil added to this fish curry, and with all the masalas, it tastes really awesome. I hope you enjoyed this video. Try this recipe and share it with me. See you in my next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care.